Hi there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today we're going to have another tutorial, and that will be how can we use our cell phone as webcam in our PC. Okay, so the good thing here is we can do this, we can use it online or offline. So for today we are going to use it offline because as what you may see on my screen, I do not have any internet connection. So let's go straight to the video. So this is an Android, and we are going to use this one as a webcam, as the webcam of our PC. Alright, so there are certain things first that you need to set up before you can do that. First is we must have downloaded in our PC this one, the Droid Cam Client. Okay, that's in our PC. Then here in our phone we must have downloaded the app that we are going to use, and that will be the Droid Cam app. Hold on one second, I want to share it with you guys. So this is the app, the Droid Cam app that you need to install first in your phone. You can find it, you can just find it in the Play Store. Alright, so after you have installed the Droid Cam client in your PC as well as the Droid Cam app in your phone, it's a good to go. Alright, but before you can connect it, your PC and your phone must be connected within the same network. So this is the network that I use. It's just a mobile hotspot. So, and this is also the one that I'm using to as the lighting in this video. So I just turned on the hotspot and I connect my mobile phone as well as my PC. So I have connected them already, and as what you may see, there is no internet connection. So after we have selected that, we are going to open the Droid Cam app here in our phone. So yan. So there are some data here. It's the Wi-Fi, IP, and the Droid Cam port is 4747. So we are just going to click here. Okay. Alright. So just here first, we're going to change this one into the IP that we can see here in our mobile phone. So let us try to encode it here. It's 43.135. So there. And as what you can see, it's already connected, right? So let us try to use this one as the webcam of my in the screen recorder app, the OBS that I'm using right now. So let me click add here, then video capture device, then we're going to create new, and we're going to select the Droid Cam source here, and so as what you may see is already here, right? Alright, so we have connected already our phone, and that's the one that I'm using. So it's if you're going to use your phone as your webcam, it will give you a better result, better than the built-in webcam of your laptop if you're using laptop, because your phone is it has better camera quality. That's why, that's what you may see here, it's like high definition. Yeah, so yes, we have already connected. Just to recap, you need to set up first some apps in your phone and in your PC, and that's the Droid Cam app, and in your PC is the Droid Cam client. Then you need USB to connect your phone to your PC. Alright, and then there's good to go. Alright, so I hope you learned something for today. If you want to know more, or for you to be updated on our next video, then you may want to hit subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye!